Yeah.
Nice.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Single 12 in the trunk, so you're fine, man.
It's not loud at all, dude.
You never gave me an intro.
It's not loud at all, dude.
Ooh, that's loud.
I think that amp, that
Yeah.
8K is not, like if I still had my 3K, dude, it'd be way louder. Because the rebase shit sucks so bad. So I gotta play regular music.
Okay. You want to give me a walk around real quick?
Yeah, if you want.
Go ahead, man.
What's going on, y'all? This is Freezy, baby, with the Snowman. Super loud, Freezy, baby. What? Yeah. I'm from Daytona. We in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm a little tipsy, but hey, that's how it is. But anyways, we chilling in the Snowman car. We got 612s in the back. Rockford Fosgate P3. I got them on 8K, PRV. And then we'll walk around and I'll tell you the rest.
All right. Get me out of here. It's locked. I appreciate it. Is it not open from the inside or is it childproof?
There's no, I took the arm out.
Okay.
So we got custom doors. We got fiberglass doors, PRV in the doors. We got the whole car's airbrushed. It's icicles, it's got a snowman on the hood. In the back, no more TV, no more watching movies. I got a stunt wall. The 8K is on my 612s. I got 5,700 watts on the mids and highs, the doors, and the back. 610s and 4 horns. So it's pretty fucking loud.
And it was screaming loud.
Screaming loud. Screaming. Screaming. But come check it out. 20-inch wheels, all airbrushed. Hood flips forward. It's turbo. It's pretty slow because of the weight.
What size alternator?
I got a 320 amp by CS or I forget
Custom electric?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Oh yeah.
So you said one sub down right now.
One sub down right now.
So how did that affect your wiring?
I didn't change anything.
So it's still is wired down to what it?
Everything's still the same.
Okay. So what was it wired down to with 1 amp?
That I can't tell you. I don't know.
You don't know? Okay.
I don't know.
Like 0.6 or 1.2, you don't really know.
Yeah, I don't really know.
And it's a 6th order. You would consider it a 6th order?
6 order, yeah.
Have you known the tunings yet? Front and rear?
Well, I know it's 38 hertz,
Okay.
38 to 40 hertz.
All right.
But right now, this is regular music, no rebase music. So I'm just gonna play regular music.
Yeah, man. Just do your thing.
I will try my best. It's not as loud as it was before.
It's all right.
But
They get to see everything still. It's pretty sweet. And you got little lights in here. Nice. That's a good one.
well, that's the song I actually played. Wait. No.
Check this out right here. Yeah, I think a lot of y'all motherfuckers forgot who he is. Yeah, so right about now.
Forecasting a recession yet. Plenty of other forecasters are, and it has reached the dreaded.
Holy crap.
Yeah, they're really loud.
That still sounds good though, even though you say it's probably what, half as loud as it was?
I lost a lot.
Just by changing amps in the sub?
Can I get a demo? Can I get a demo? I lost a lot, man. It's not that loud.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, no problem.
You used to have a TV, didn't you?
Yeah, that's what I replaced it with.
Oh, wow.
I like that, that's pretty cool.
To Mexico, ¿y dónde está mi gente? Mi polvo se la gente. ¿Y dónde está mi gente?
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.